Welcome to Tech and Travel with NGT channel. Welcome friend. We will derive the relation between magnetic field intensity vector, magnetic field vector B and magnetization of material vector M. We will derive the relation between H, B and M. I mean magnetic intensity field vector, magnetic field B vector and magnetization vector M. Okay. Now what is H? Magnetic intensity. Actually this one is source field. You consider a solenoid without any iron core. Okay, without any core. What will happen? You pass the current I through it. N is the number of turn per unit length. So H equal to Ni. So it is field vector. This is called magnetic intensity or source field H. Okay. B is magnetic flux density or magnetic field. Here it is without solenoid. What is magnetization of a material? Magnetic moment per unit volume. It is called magnetization. Okay, and B is called magnetic field. From second law of magnetostatics, you can say here curl of B equal to mu 0 into J. J will be divided into two quantities, bounded current density and free current density. So J equal to JB plus JF. But what is JB? JB equal to curl of M, curl of magnetization, equation number 3. Now mu 0 in denominator, curl of mu 0 equal to, okay, equal to only J. But what is J? J equal to JB plus JF. Okay. So now place the value of JB here. So curl of B by mu 0 equal to curl of M plus JM JF. Okay. Now here is a curl. Here is also a curl. Okay. It is common. So curl of B by mu 0 minus M equal to JF. Now what is this? The quantity in bracket. It is called H. So curl of H equal to JF. So H equal to B by mu 0 minus M. So this is the relation between, let me say, magnetic field intensity vector or source field vector. B is the magnetic field vector. M is what? Magnetization of a material vector. Mu 0 is permeability of a free space. 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 MKS. Okay. Now from equation number 7, we can write B equal to mu 0 H plus M. Now magnetization proportional to magnetic intensity. So magnetization equal to Xi into H. What is Xi? Xi is magnetic susceptibility. Okay, place the value of M equal to Xi into H in equation number 8. So B equal to mu 0 into H plus Xi H, bracket is over, equal to, now let me say take H common here, mu 0 into H, 1 plus Xi. But what is 1 plus Xi? It is relative permeability. Okay, relative permeability of a material. Okay, you can write here relative permeability mu R equal to mu divided by mu 0. Again let me write the value. Okay, B equal to mu 0, 1 plus Xi equal to mu 0 into R, mu 0 R, 1 plus Xi equal to mu 0 R, and H is here. So B equal to mu 0 mu R H. So B equal to mu into H, where mu equal to permeability of a material. Xi is the magnetic susceptibility. So this equation number 7 and equation number 11, okay, are the equation of magnetostatics related with three magnetic vectors. Okay, H is magnetic intensity, B is magnetic flux density or magnetic field, M is magnetization, mu is permeability of a material. Okay, now according to your 12th, you know that B equal to H equal to N into I. H is what? Magnetic intensity, I mean source field. Okay, B0 is the magnetic field without, let me say, any material or without any iron core. Okay, so B0 equal to mu 0 Ni. B0 equal to mu 0 Ni or equal to mu 0 into H. B0 equal to mu 0 into H. What is this? B0 is initial magnetic field without magnetic material, mu 0 into H. H is magnetic field intensity or magnetic intensity. So B0 equal to mu 0 into H. Now you introduce a solid iron core inside it. So total magnetic field is equal to initial magnetic field plus Bm. What is Bm? It is magnetic field, okay, inside iron core. Okay, so B0 plus Bm. Now Bm proportional to M, magnetization. So Bm equal to mu 0 into M. Mu 0 is the permeability of a free space. Okay, so B equal to B0 plus M. So B equal to mu 0 into H. First thing, according to equation number A. Okay, plus mu 0 into M according to equation number 6. Place this value. Mu 0 is common, H plus M. It is again equation, this equation D again equal to equation number 8. You know that. Now again you can say M proportional to H, M equal to xi into H. Okay, and again 1 plus xi, same thing, you repeat this, all these thing equal to mu r, relative permeability. So B equal to mu H. So according to your BSc or MSc level, from second law of magnetostatics, you can derive the relation between H, B and M. Again, from your 12th standard, you can also derive the relation between B, H and M vectors. Thank you.